Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach Facebook monetization. Right? What is a Facebook monetization? This is the passive income while you earning money from online. Okay, if you have a good content creator, video creator or article creator, you can write your article on Facebook along with the text. You will be able to make money online. If you are a best video creator, if you're a best traveler, you have a lot of videos around the world, so you have to put on the Facebook and you will be able to earn money online, right? So the Facebook is the best marketplace where you can earn passive income per month, right? The Facebook introduced a new tool which is a content monetization tool, which is this tool earlier we called as a in-stream ads, right? The in-stream ads now after 2024 October 14, this in-stream ads which is changed as CM tool, which is nothing but monetization tool. It is This is introduced just 15 days, but this is still it is an invitation program, right? There is no rule for monetize, right? So we no need to complete at the criteria. So if you are if you have a Facebook page, the Facebook observe your Facebook page. If your Facebook page is good, if you have a lot of comments and lot of likes and your videos get more impression, they will given the CRM tool monetization. You will be able to make money for five different ways. One is a video CRM tool. This is the video monetization platform. First one. Second one is performance bonus. Third is a ads on reels. Fourth is a live. Fifth is a star subscription base. There are five different ways to in order to earn money from online from Facebook, right? So let's see. I'll show you the income of in-stream ads. This is a video monetization. So you can see here this is the content monetization. The in-stream ads, it will be convert as a content monetization. Here there is a earnings. So here 120 $34, right? This is just 7 days income, only the video income. We not for post any photo or text yet. Here you can see the reel, or this is nothing but a one. What is a reel and video mean? If you are post video more than 3 minutes, it's called as a video. If it is post for a reel, it is just one uh, minute. That video we include as a reel. Okay, the photo you can earn. Uh, you can get some photo from your mobile and you can write some text and post on a WebP. You can earn money on it, right? So this is the way. Okay, this is how the earnings should calculate. Video earning, it will be goes to video category. If it's a reel earnings, it will be goes to reel category. If it is a photo along with the text earning, it goes to the this category. You have a lot of here. There is the star. You can see the star and you can earn, right? There are many ways to earn money online. So you can see the proof of that, right? So let's go to the earnings. Okay, here this content monetization. This tool is coming here. You can see this just 7 days income here. $105. Okay, this is not a big income. Okay, so I have post less videos so that I got this income. If you are post a video regularly, you can earn more money from Facebook, right? So this is only the I have earned from the video only. Okay, if you are a good text writer and if you have a good photos, you will be able to earn money from the performance bonus, right? So here there is a proof of content monetization. I could earn this amount of money, right? So I have a screenshots. That's why I show you, right? So here you can, this is the motivation video. You will be able to money online from Facebook page. Yes, it's very easy way to make money online, right? The Facebook invitation program. Okay, this one should be this is the content monetization program, right? So this is introduced the April, sorry, October 14. After October 14, 2004, it will introduce. It will be available until February 2025. Okay, so after that, Facebook will be launch a requirements of this tool. That's why they are telling. At the moment, we don't have any requirements. If you have a page, Facebook just come and watch your page. If the page is eligible, they will be given the content monetization tool approval. Okay, after 2015 February, they will be launch new requirements. Okay, so if you are past that particular requirement, they will be your page is eligible, right? Otherwise it won't eligible, right? They will be launch a new requirements of your page. That is why they are telling that, right? So okay, the performance bonus. What is the performance bonus? Here there is a earning I could earn, right? So performance bonus here is nothing but here there if you have a photograph, photographer, if you are going to somewhere else, okay, there the place is very beautiful. You get the photo of that place, and you have to upload the photo on your Facebook page. If you have a good followers on your page, the followers impression of your photos, after impression your photos, they will be they could like, they could comment of your photo. Okay, those the comment plus like, the both are calculated is called as impression. That impression base, you could earn money from online, which called as performance bonus, right? In last month the performance bonus calculated $160 US dollars. This month is calculated $93 US dollars, right? If you are compared to past month and this month is less because I have posted the less photos of this month, right? So that's the reason of that. So if you have a my if you are a more time, you could post more photos. Okay, if you are hard, if you could artwork, you can more money online from Facebook pages, right? So here, okay, if you are a good content creator, you can create a Facebook page, you will be able to money online. Okay, this is the photo along with the text, you will be able to money here. This is the text and photo, you will be able to make money online. These are the some pages you can earn here. This is all the commands you could earn money online. These are the called as Facebook performance bonus program, right? So first, if you are a if you are a newcomer of the Facebook monetization page, first you have to get the followers. Okay, you have to reach more than 5,000 followers in your page. Okay, then only once you post a video and photos, the people are coming from around the world, they will be come and see your photo. They tell what they react, what they comment, what you feel about that your photo. So all the stuff they will be provide the comments. Okay, they leave the comments and likes, right? So once you post a video and or photos, right? After that, you can, if you reach a lot of people on your page, you will be able to earn money online. You can create, you can first you have to select the niche, what type of the page you are going to create, whether you are creating the travels niche or cooking niche or education niche or funny videos niche. There are many niches available. Okay, niche, you have to select your appropriate niche, and after that you have to create the pages and you have to earn money from online. This is a great platform to in order to earn passive income per month. Thank you for watching.